Hi, this is Michael Nesbitt from Byte Marketer and the Byte Marketer team. I hope everyone is very well today and very safe and sound amidst this second lockdown that we are having at this moment in time, especially here in the UK. Now today we've got another great software review, and this is something that you will have seen right across the internet, probably for many years, ever since you went online many years ago, and it's something that doubtless you have taken part in, and it's something that you may not have realized, but it is very prevalent right across the world, and does actually get you tons and tons of viral traffic, and it's used by some enormous brands, and now it can be used by you too. The product is called Mighteee, and now the name Mighteee has a lot of affinity in my heart. It was the name of a heavy metal producer that I did tons and tons of albums with back in the day when I was much younger, basically because that's what he used to say when we did a really good take when we had a band, so you would always shout that across the studio, but that's another story, but my history there. Now Mighteee, in this case, free push button viral traffic. Traffic is so important, it's so vital to get as much traffic as possible to your website, and this gets it in the best way possible. It's something that I would highly recommend. If you're not doing it at this moment in time, when you see it, you'll go, oh crikey, I've actually done that myself. It's something that many big brands use, which I will show you, and I'll show you these brands are absolutely enormous, and it does actually work extremely well for them, which is why they do it, and it's a free way to get tons and tons of traffic. So it creates tidal waves of viral traffic, as it says here, all at the push of a button, and it works really well, and you will recognize everything I'm going to talk about now. And now I can put you in the position of being able to do what all of these big brands do all of the time, which is brilliant. It's all cloud based, so there's no overheads. You don't have to worry about domain names and paying for hosting monthly or anything like that, so don't worry about that. It's all taken care of. So it's 100% risk-free as well, and it's a proven method. This is a scientific method, and it's a proven method that works, and when you see it, you'll think, oh wow, this is something that I have actually done myself. I know I have, without a shadow of a doubt. So no matter what offer you've got a website or whatever it is, this will work really well for you. So as I said, it's a proven scientific method. It's a scientific PFA algorithm that actually works. It's 100% risk-free, and satisfaction is guaranteed because this works, guys. It's the way many people online actually get tons of traffic to lots and lots of offers, and it works really well, and it's all built in within this software, so you don't worry about getting all the templates together, doing any design, figuring out how it works, doing any coding or anything like that, which you would normally have to do. This takes care of anything, and it manages all the aspects that you would need to get everything up and running. And the way it does that is by running absolutely fantastic contests for you. Now many big companies run massive contests, the likes of Domino's, Men's Health, Lego, Lay's. All these are huge, massive companies, and the reason they run contests is because it brings people back to the websites. People come back time and time again, and now you can do this too, and you can actually create all of this viral traffic for yourself, and it will work extremely well for you, and it's hyper targeted traffic, and you will be able to manipulate this to make you real money day in, day out. This is the way you get tons of traffic to your site. So these are the massive brands that we're talking about, the likes of DC Comics, who you've probably heard of, who make movies as well, in competition with Marvel, the likes of Domino's, who are the biggest pizza brand going, and the likes of Lay's, who do all kinds of potato chips and all kinds of crisps, as we call them in the UK. Lego, massive enormous company, the most popular men's magazine as well, Men's Health, who get A-list people right on across all of their covers as well. So if these companies use them, thinking about how much money these companies make anyway, the reason they use them is because it is very significant and works really well. That's why they use them. Now the likes of Lego, Men's Health, Domino's, DC, Lay's, you'd think, well, they don't have to do this kind of thing because they make lots of money anyway. The reason they do this and get traffic in this way is, guys, it's because it works. It just works. You know it does. Now this is the kind of money that they turn over. The likes of Lay's, you may not know, but the actual parent company owns all of these other brands as well, the likes of Cheetos and Doritos and all these massive brands, and they turn over nearly $16 billion, and the likes of Lego turning over $2 billion. Now these are massive companies, and the reason they use competitions is because they actually work. So if the big brands are using it, you can too. I'll go into the software and I'll show you how simple it is to set up and how it actually can work really well for you a little bit later. But this is the competitions that they run on their sites. You've got the competitions, you've got winners. This is a men's health one. Now there was tons on the page, guys. There was absolutely tons and tons of them, but I just thought, well, I'll just pick a couple out. So these are the ones that came out: food and drink and a pets one. Now some of the prizes that I give away are really small and easy, but people like competitions. People absolutely love them. They really do. And here's a one on the Lego site, which is a great site. If you've got kids, I would recommend the Lego site. Go on there and have a look. Do some of these competitions. It really does work. But this method works really well, and now with Mighteee, this fantastic bit of software, as you can see here, works extremely well, and you can use this now too. Because it works so well, it's not just for beginners, it is not just for intermediates, not just for advanced people, it is literally for absolutely everyone, because it works and because it brings in tons and tons of viral traffic, and you will make money using this, guys. It's a really fantastic way for you to get tons of traffic. Now you might think, oh well, I'm sure I've seen things like this before. Well, what Mighteee has done, who's teamed up with one of the biggest affiliates on ClickBank. Now this guy Sean, he just makes an absolute fortune, always making 6 figures a month. Now they've teamed up together and they've done this together because of all the methods that Sean uses and how he does extremely well on various affiliate sites. Now, so this is something that will work brilliantly for you, because these guys are making so much money, they've put their heads together. It just makes total sense that they can pass on some of this knowledge to you. So this is how straightforward and simple it is. There's only 3 steps. So you basically log into the software once you've purchased, and then you choose the viral type of contest that you want, and then you actually then just publish it, and the contest then goes online, and you will get tons of traffic. And people absolutely love them. People really do love them. There's tons and tons of these right across the internet, and all people have to do in exchange is put their email address in, and then they get a chance in the competition. Now this is fantastic for you, because obviously, as you know, as we always say, the money is in the list. If you have a list of customers, you will make money online, and this is the way forward. If you want to make money online, seriously, you need a list of customers, because every time you have an offer or something new, say today for Black Friday, then you can actually send out something to all of your people using your autoresponder and say, look, we've got this on today, and you will make money. The money is in the list. So the other thing that these competitions do, they can actually save people money, because you can do coupons as well. So if you have coupons, then you save 25% off or 10% off or 80% off, whatever it may actually be, then people will use this coupon and buy your products by getting money off. So it saves the visitors money as well. So there's an extra reason why people should actually take part in these competitions too. Now there's 3 different kinds. You've got the pop-up ones. Now the pop-up can actually, when people go into the website, it can pop up immediately, or you can have it as an exit pop-up. I'm sure you will have seen these when you've been on various websites, and as you're about to leave, you click to go to a different page, and a pop-up pops up saying we've got this as well. And you can have this method popping up saying we've got this competition, you can get this much money off, you can get this kind of coupon, or you can have a chance to win an iPad, or whatever it may actually be. So that's one method. The other one is a sweepstakes method, which I'm sure you'll know if you've ever worked in an office and there's a sweepstake on we have large races here in the UK, like horse racing. We have the Derby, and we have a thing called the Grand National, which everyone always bets on the Grand National. So it's that kind of method, and also a photo contest as well. So there's various ways for you to actually generate interest in the different kinds of competitions too. So it's simple push button traffic, and all you do is choose the templates. And now this is actually just a screenshot of the software and what it looks like. So you've got the different kinds, and then you've got the different genres as well. So we've got different niches. We've got make money online, we've got relationship, and we've got healthcare, just as examples here. So obviously we're in the make money online marketplace, so we would use a template like this here, which you can actually change and do various things with it as well, and that'd be something that you would run, so people can get free training when they go in and get that. They want the free training, they put their email address in and they get the free training, and you get their email address, and this is how you get tons and tons of traffic. Because once you build up enough people and you email out to people, then you will get people buying all of your offers, and all the traffic comes back to your site. It's a win-win, guys. It really, really is. You basically pick a template and it's push button traffic on tap for you. So we've got recommended OTOs today, but what I'll do now is I will go into the software and we'll have a look and we'll see exactly how straightforward and simple it actually is. So here we are on the software, guys. Very, very straightforward. This is the dashboard, and as you can see, we've got contests, automation center, done for you automation, which is this page, email automation, which will just bring up all the different kinds of autoresponders you can link it to, and leads as well. So it's really, really simple. What I'll do is I'll go in and I'll create some kind of campaign just so you can see exactly what it looks like. So if we click contests, we'll see what comes up on the contest page. As you can see, I've done a few here. I've done Make Test 1 and I've done Make Test Contest, just to have a look to see exactly what it looked like when you clicked in. So I'll just create a new contest here. So we've got the pop-up scroll, we've got the sweepstakes, we've got the photo contest, and we've got the public pick contest. So I'll just continue with a pop-up. You've got to put a name in, that's why that oops came up there. So I'll just say Make Test 2, and then I'll click continue, and this should bring up another page so we can easily get in. And this is where you would actually choose the template that you want. So as you can see here, we've got the template here, which is an awesome red. We've got the modern yellow and the fresh blue, and then we've got the template here, use the template or view the template. So we click on view the template, and this is what the template would look at. 12 ways to earn money online, free, fast, easy, and then people would click join now. So it's very, very straightforward and very, very simple, guys. It is really, really easy, and easy as pie to actually use. So you just pick the template that you want and continue from there. There's a ton of stuff within here. You've got the automation and you've got the leads. We'll click on the leads at the bottom, and then this is all the different leads, and these are the what would come up. So you would get all the email addresses of all of the different people who actually entered into the contest for you there. So it's very, very straightforward, guys, and I'm sure this will be absolutely fantastic for you, and you can run a number of contests there and get tons and tons of viral traffic. Really simple, great. So we've got a recommended OTO for today as well, which is a one-time offer, and I would recommend OTO 5, which is the reseller agency license. Now the reason I've done this, and a lot of the time I do go for the done for you, but the reason I've done this is because I know that this will help tons and tons of online marketers out there. So you can actually sell this on, and you can use this agency site and sell the software as a service for yourself. Now I think this could be absolutely fantastic for many marketers out there, and that's why I have picked the reseller agency license. I think it could be great because this is something that works really well, that people have seen for many, many years, and you know that it works. And this could be great for many people out there thinking, well, I could probably sell that on, and I'm sure you could with this, with having the agency reseller license, which I think is great. So we've also got gifts today. The gift for today is Traffic Beast. Now, as it says here, as you can see, this gift will show you how and where to get traffic. You can use social media, forums and blogs. It will explain all about how to develop content and create traffic from these different areas. So that's a free gift for today. If you have a look below in the description, you'll be able to click the gift and get that if you're watching this on YouTube. Really, really straightforward and easy to do. We've got bonuses as well, all to do with traffic, because I'm sure this is a great piece of traffic software. I'm sure extra help on how to get traffic and where to get it from will be really helpful for you. And this is the traffic handbook. If you haven't read this, then this is a great little handbook to show you exactly where you can get traffic from, how to engage with traffic, and how to get the correct way to increase all of your traffic as well. This will work really well for you, and that's the first bonus for today. Now the second bonus for today is get more Google traffic. Now Google is can be overlooked because so many people like social media, and people always swear by social media, but Google is still the biggest, and it's still one of the best ways to actually get lots and lots of traffic. And if you use the right kind of keywords, then this could be absolutely brilliant for you. So don't underestimate how fantastic this bonus could be for you. So that is Mighteee, and you can get real viral traffic. You know that this is going to work for you guys, and it can work just for you and make a massive difference to everything that you do. Contests online just absolutely work and work really well, and all of those large brands wouldn't actually be doing it if it didn't work, because they're turning over billions of pounds anyway. So it just increases massive amounts of traffic for their websites and keeps people engaged, which is the key to you getting fantastic customers, building a list and getting more people to your website. So that is Mighteee. I think that could be brilliant to get viral push button traffic for absolutely everyone. My name is Michael Nesbitt on behalf of Dan Green, everyone else here at the Byte Marketer team. Thanks again for watching. Check the description below and you'll get your free gift for today. And also, if you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, there's tons of stuff on the YouTube channel to help you. There's obviously all videos for all kinds of products which you can check out as well, and there's tons of tutorials for you. Michael Nesbitt from Byte Marketer. Take care, look after yourself, have a good weekend, and I'll speak to you very soon. All the best. Cheers.